This is a 2023 Chevy Colorado ZR2 Desert Boss, which I don't even think they make anymore. I think they only made it for a year. But I'm gonna walk you through how to tint the front door step by step. So let's do it.
Last night we let the liquor talk.
Baby shampoo and water, squeegee, triangle tool, and a scrubby. 3 easy steps to tint this window. Spray it, scrub it, squeegee. Peel the protective liner about halfway. And then apply your film. Spray it. Peel it. Just like that. Squeegee. Alright, well, it's really that easy. So go outside and try it on your personal vehicle. Maybe.